In today's video, I'm going to teach you emailing tasks into ClickUp, Easy 2026 Guide. If you've ever wanted to forward an email straight into a task so everything lives in one place, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from locating the right task to grabbing its unique email address, to sending your message and seeing it appear in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to your list view, where you manage all your tasks in your workspace. This is the best place to keep things organized because you can quickly see what's active and where each item lives. Next, click on View to create a new view that will help you track these email-enabled tasks. Think of this as your dedicated vantage point. After creating it, make sure you're in the list layout so tasks display in a clean, scannable format. You can rename or customize this view if you want, but it's completely optional. Filters and sorting can help later, so consider setting those once you're comfortable. Now, find the specific task you want to email into. Hover over it and open the three-dot menu. From the menu, choose the option to send an email to this task. ClickUp will display a unique email address that's tied directly to that task's activity. Click Copy to copy that address. Treat it like a private forwarding address and avoid sharing it publicly to keep your workspace tidy and secure. You may also notice a small checkbox in this dialog that streamlines this step for next time, so feel free to enable it if you're confident about your workflow. With that copied, open your email client, work or personal, and compose a new message. In the To field, paste the unique address you just copied. Use a clear subject line because it will help you and your team recognize the context inside ClickUp. Write your message as you normally would, and if needed, attach files. Attachments sent to this address are typically captured alongside the message in the task. Send the email. Give it a moment to process, then switch back to ClickUp and open the same task. You should now see the emailed content added to the task, making the conversation, files, and context easy to find for everyone with access. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and confirm that you pasted the address correctly. Some workspaces restrict inbound emails by domain, so make sure you're sending from an approved account if your organization has that rule. That's it. You've successfully emailed content into a ClickUp task, keeping your communication centralized and actionable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and time-saving workflows.